Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Wishing you all safety and good health during this pandemic. Let's start with the presentation. First, did you know that in Malaysia, cataract was the leading cause of blindness, which is 39%, followed by retinal disease. Uncorrected refractive errors and cataract were the major causes of low vision. In conclusion, Malaysia has a blindness and visual impairment rates which were comparable to other countries in the Southeast Asia region. Then, let's look what is IOL and what is IOL having to do with cataract. To take the place of the clouded human lens, a precisely engineered artificial lens called the intraocular lens or IOL is implanted into the eye at the time of cataract surgery. Unlike a contact lens, it is permanently fixated inside the eye. Then, where is IOL being used? As you can see, that this cloudiness of the lens is what we call a cataract. If the clouding is mild or only involve a small part of the lens, your vision may be only slightly affected. But if there is more clouding and it affects the entire lens like the picture, your vision will become severely limited and cataract surgery become necessary. Now, let's look what is a haptic. Haptic is a handle or a small filament connected to the optic that hold the lens in the place in the eye. Then what about the haptic design? There's a lot of haptic design such C-loop, J-loop, plate and plate loop. However, my research will primarily focus on the C-loop design, thus it is the most common type that is being used. Then, the problems. So what are the problems with the current product that's available in the market? The problem are rotation, axial displacement, or tilt mainly occur in the early postoperative period. The main downside of this IOL is that the biomechanical stability inside the capsular bag is essential to ensure a successful surgical procedure. Rotation is a crucial factor in toric and asymmetrical multifocal IOLs, while decentration and tilt are important in a pupil-dependent multifocal and asymmetry IOL. The conclusion is that these parameters affect the optical performance and efficacy of these IOLs, resulting in significant visual disturbance. What about the influential factor? The material properties, haptic design, and size of the IOL are considered to be very influential factor in the postoperative IOL stability. By changing a few parameters of the design, it will give some effect to the compression force, axial displacement, tilt, and rotation. Thus, will change the mechanical stability of the IOL. This data can be collected by doing a simulation like finite element analysis. And in this study, the process is by using the simulation software like Abacus to collect all the data and to study the main design parameter that affect the mechanical stability of IOL. After the parameters have been identified, such as thickness, length, and optic junction, then come the result, the parameter which somehow satisfy the target design based on the collected data. And last but not least, my research is to improve the existing design and to achieve the target design based on mechanical stability and be able to propose the optimal shape of IOL. With that, thank you for your attention.